Before I get started into this video, if y'all don't know who I am or what I do, make sure you click that subscribe button and double tap the notifications button so y'all definitely can see more videos and more about LifeAsDe'j. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel, LifeAsDe'j. So today I'm going to be creating this vision board, and I'm gonna be showing y'all step by step everything that I did and how the process went. I had so much fun creating this vision board, so make sure y'all keep on watching to see the finished product and everything that I have on my board. Before I start with my vision board process, I want to give a special shout out to Jasmine. She has a blog and she talks about different things such as hair, makeup, modeling. So everybody who has questions on any of that, and obviously if you watch my channel, then you want to see a lot of that. So make sure you click the link in the description down below. It's essentially Jazz, and make sure y'all click and go subscribe, because when I tell y'all, her blogs is lit. So make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can get a notification every time she posts. Let's get right into the video. First, I'm gonna go in with this glow in the dark pink color, and I'm gonna put this all over my D because I wanted something to pop. So I'm gonna paint this first so it has time to dry. Glow in the dark did not do too good by itself. I had to put another pink, which I use this, over that color, and then once this dries, I'm gonna go back in with the glow in the dark because that one was not showing up too well and it was ugly. So we just gonna use this pink, and once this dries, we'll put the glow in the dark over it and see if that works. So I printed out, well, not printed, I cut out all of these and I put them on pink construction paper because I just felt like I wanted my board to pop in some way, and that would be best. So now I'm gonna get my board, which is this big old board right here. This board is 24 by 30, and I actually got two of them, and I got this from Walmart, and Walmart only sold it in two, so that's why I got two. Otherwise I would have got one, but I think this was like $15, so I got this board, and this is what I'm gonna use for my vision board. And since it's so big, like, I don't know if I have enough pictures to fill the whole board, but we gonna see. This is a big board. Oh, and I wanted to do a canvas so I can hang it up and look at it every day. So we gonna open this up. I feel like I'm unwrapping a present, like a big present, and I don't know what it is, but clearly I know what it is. I'm gonna use this one because this one doesn't have another layer of paper on it. This one does, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay. I feel like I just got stuff everywhere. But now I'm gonna just take these pictures and kind of place them on the board to see where I want them. And I got a lot of quotes and little phrases, so we gonna see how this works. This is my first time doing the vision board, so we gonna see how this go. I'm excited. I feel like I'm doing a school project. I got bands in the coop, busting up the room. They got this on your scale. I don't eat my cookies. Alright, y'all, so I just finished painting my 2019 letters. Like, I didn't know what I really wanted to do with that. So I'm gonna move back to the D now that it's pretty much dry. And this is how it looks. I really like this way better. So Now I'm gonna take the glow in the dark and I'm gonna just put that, I'm gonna put it on the cardboard first. Then I'm gonna paint it on there. And y'all, my line is so dry. If it's not my boyfriend or Ariel, don't nobody call me. I'm gonna let this dry again while I start working on my board. And speaking of my boyfriend,
unplug my charger.
hey baby.
Don't need water?
He said Gorilla Glue need water. Why?
That's how it used to work.
Hey.
Go with the middle. Girl, you didn't even go.
I gotta cross this one over.
No, it don't need no water. I never heard of that.
Put a little.
I'm almost there. I'm almost there. People coming from everywhere. I'm almost there. I don't even know if that's the words. First, we're gonna start off with the 2019 in pink and the D in pink. The theme of my board is pink and gold. And it's because pink is my favorite color and I just thought, why not gold? So, this D is actually glow in the dark, says Walmart paint. My board, I have a lot of fashion, a lot of quotes, a lot of inspiring things. Because 2019 is all about growth and me actually stepping out of my comfort zone. And a lot of these fashion pictures are just because I'm so used to doing modeling kind of like one type of way, and I really want to branch out and do other things. So this was really inspiring to me. And so like, yeah, fashion magic is on my board and things like that. Music, because I love music. I'm always listening to music. Love story, because me and my boyfriend like, we have this very, very unfinished love story. So yeah, one day I might share that with y'all, you know, but you know. Next, I have Kerry Washington down at the bottom. Like, ever since she did Scandal, y'all, like, she's just been bomb. So I have different bags just because, y'all, I love bags. My parents always tell me that I'm a bag lady. I have free right here, just to always remember to have a free spirit, a free mind. Power with purpose. I always have power with purpose. I have Michelle Obama and Oprah Winfrey. You know, OBZ had to be on here. Miss OBZ had to be on my board. And y'all, I just got the book Becoming by Michelle Obama. And I'm not done reading it yet, but I'll let y'all know when I'm done reading it. So, it says, say it loud, black, female, and proud. So this is like my black queen inspiration here. It says, yes, queen. Well, it says, yes, queen. So I had to say it how it is. And it says, powerful. I have money, of course, because you know, money. All I really want to see is money. I have, when you play to win, right here in the corner. So always remember, when you play, when you put yourself in the game, baby, you in that game to win. You're not there to have fun. You're not there to play hee hee ha ha. No, you're there to win. So, you know, I have a quote that says, we're such an interesting lineup of girls in control of their own shit. Period. Period. I ain't even gotta explain that, period. So I have congratulations, because that's all I want to hear. I have Chanel here, Chanel number 19. I have everything the light touches. Everything the light touches, which is me. of course, I got my little YouTube stick up here because I love y'all. I love all my subscribers. And I want to grow my channel, expand my channel, and just share more with y'all. So I love y'all. And I want to thank y'all for supporting me too all the time. So, and I have another quote up here that says, I feel very strongly that change is not an event. It's a process. What we see happening in this moment is pivotal. It's not over. So when you feel like you're going through a changing event, just remember that it is a process and everything happens for a reason in my eyes. So Lupita said that. So you know that's a part of my black girl empowerment. And I have another quote by Cardi B. She said, all the good reviews that I've gotten for my album, that's something I'm really proud of. No one can take that away from me. And I just really, like, that quote really spoke to me because I feel like everything that I've done is in my YouTube, with college, everything, I feel like it's what I've done. And can't nobody take it away from me. I got Hollywood, because one day I do want to go to Hollywood, Dior. Let's see. I feel like that wraps up my board. Everything on my dream board is basically, well, on my vision board is basically about me becoming the best version of myself and always remembering that I can do it. Like, it's not so much about, oh, let me put a house right here. I plan on having a house, because I feel like that comes once you have a mentality that you can do everything else will come and fall into place. Like, nothing is on accident. So boom, you know, everybody do that vision board differently, but this is mine. And then I left some spaces in the vision board just because I know throughout the year I'm gonna want to add stuff. So this right here is my 2019 vision board. That is my first time doing ever in life, because I don't think I ever did a vision board. But I'm really proud of myself, and I can't wait to hang this up in my room, because this 5-hour work is definitely going up in my room. So I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. And if you have any goals and visions that you have for 2019, comment that down below and let me know, because y'all, 2019 we turning up, period. Like, don't let nothing stop y'all. So I'm so happy to share my vision board with y'all and everything that I have planned. And 2019 is going to be a great year. So if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and double tap that bell next to it so you don't ever miss a video of LifeAsDe'j. And yeah, I just want to thank y'all so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Mwah! Whoop, there it is! Whoop, there it is! Whoop!
Mess me up, y'all.
No streak.
Y'all, I'm so tired. I'm talking about balls deep in love. I got a quiz due, and I gotta deep condition my hair tonight. So I'm gonna get to that, because your girl can't be walking around with this dry hair no more. No more dry hair. No dry hair all 2019. No dry hair.